Okay, super chat from Enjoy Football. I think this is in Swedish crowns. Thank you. Ian, I have 1,000 to invest and want to make at least 10,000 by January 2021. That's basically in 2 months. Can you show me which coins you recommend? I'm ready to take the risk and I don't have a problem if I lose all my money. Okay, all right. Okay, cowboy. All right, so first statement I would say is not financial advice.
Not investment advice,
Yeah,
yes.
not investment advice. But basically, this person is a trader and is looking to make money. I would say don't chase the 10x. Just have a good portfolio. The 10x will find you, right? If you do the work, the 10x will find you, right? So like earlier, we showed the Quant portfolio, but let's do the same thing and change it to monthly. Okay, so let me just make that update real quick. Because I would do that Quant portfolio I just mentioned, the quarterly or the monthly, right? So let me just take a look here. Actually, the monthly you won't really like because what it has here, there's still a safe place, right? So looking at this, let me make this full screen. So it has Bitcoin, lots of stable coins. It has let's see, 42%, 43% in Bitcoin, 8% in state tether, 7% in stablecoin. So Pax Gold, NEM, it has NEM and Celsius. So I know lots of people in our private group have been talking about Celsius, and that's also been moving. But I mean, because this portfolio is optimized to have the best risk to return ratio, right? Now, let's say though, you're a high roller and you wanted to find a low cap gem, right? So you don't care about diversifying. So if we go to what the quant grade has over the next, we'll say 1 month, right? So not worry about diversifying. What do we have? Okay, we have Aave and we have pNetwork. So this one, some potential, but the score is not as high as Aave. But pNetwork is a DeFi project with a market cap under 10 million. So worth keeping an eye on. We did share this with a private network earlier in the week. Third chain, Sora, XOR, but all these are monthly and the score is not too high. So, but if we change to quarterly, so quarterly, once again, Aave, third chain, IoT chain, okay, this and all these are not really looked into. pNetwork again, Quark chain, synthetics, Hex, Sora, right? So these are the coins. If you're trying to hit for home run, Aave, Thorchain, now pNetwork. Let's pull that up because that has been coming up a lot. Our team is actually in the process of doing a code review on this, but let me pull it up here on CoinGecko. And Bill, could you also maybe pull that up, pNetwork? Okay, so market cap 10 million. So for those who like low cap gems, this is one worth keeping an eye on. If we go to the site here, I think we covered this a while back before, and some people in the community were looking into it. So, okay, so the heartbeat of cross-chain composability. Okay, what exactly do they do? Okay, it doesn't really tell us what they do. If we can go to their white paper or something. All I know is this, actually maybe white paper might be here. Okay, just says infrastructure project for DeFi. Yeah, I mean, maybe that's why they have a low market cap. Okay, it says aim to solve blockchain's walled garden limitation, a set of security-oriented technologies designed to boost the blockchain ecosystem. Okay. Okay, so I'm just trying to find out what exactly they do. They definitely could do a better job stating what they actually do. Okay, so cross-chain composability. Okay, so it looks like they're trying to do cross-chain DeFi. I mean, that's a big problem if that's the case. But anyway, Bill, how does the TA look like on this project?
Okay, let me bring this up. Okay, so it took a while. This is a 2-hour chart of pNetwork versus wrapped ETH on Uniswap. Okay, now, you know, if you don't mind losing all your money, the best way to lose all your money is put it in something that doesn't trade every 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
you know, this may be amazing, but no one thinks it's amazing because no one's even trading it. Right now, I have a different answer to the reader's question. Okay. This is an article from December 4th, 2018. Okay. This is about companies in Venezuela, fast food chains, pizza places, and chicken establishments started accepting Dash. Okay. Dash, which shows up right here in our value investor quarterly indexes. As a matter of fact, Dash is everywhere in our AI portfolios. So, not investment advice on any one coin, but the point is, yes, it can be exciting if you get that low cap gem that does the 100x. Can also be fun if you had $1,000. I mean, what is Dash trading per unit? Like 83? You can get yourself 10 Dash and 89. You can get yourself 10 Dash. And if it goes to 300, then you can go find a low cap coin. Again, not investment advice, but ETH, Litecoin, Ripple, your dad's crypto.
Absolutely. So actually, I did end up finding out what this project actually does. So if you go down here, so it says P tokens can teleport any token to a different blockchain without frictions. Liquidity unchained. So it looks like they're trying to compete with Ren and with Thorchain, but for DeFi. Okay, very interesting. Once again, we've not done an official review on this, so don't go there and FOMO, otherwise you'll lose all your money. But we are in the process of doing a code review. Once done, this will be emailed out to our customers via the email list, and also we'll cover this on the private investor call on to our pro users. But anyway, those are the high risk, high reward coins. Once again, not financial advice. You're likely to lose all your money, but you said you're okay with that. So there you go. So tell us what you think down below.